Hai, aku Chandra Intan dan selamat datang di versi terbaru dari Vampire Podcast, yaitu Building Your Empire.
Call a friend.
There. Am I wrong? I mean, no spoilers.
Empowering women, like queens, real queens fix each other's crown.
Louder. I think we need tissue. Can we have tissue, please? What was the hardest part? Atau kayak titik dimana kamu kayak, oh my god, this is like my lowest point. Dan ini adalah akhirnya, tapi kamu bisa jadi titik balik gitu. Kayak kamu tuh, you can bounce back from it. Like, do you have that moment?
Saat harus berteman dengan kesendirian, kesepian, ketakutan.
Facts.
Itu tiga itu sih.
Facts.
Sampai akhirnya kayak tiga ini juga yang membuat aku jadi kayak alasan untuk bisa berdamai dengan mereka. Kalau aku bisa berdamai dengan mereka, gue bisa bersahabat dengan penyakit ini. Gitu loh. Karena it's like 10 months gitu. In the
Anyone
hospital,
can get
kayak,
insane, bro.
Iya, kayak untung aja gue gak kenapa-kenapa mental gue. Makanya gue mencoba untuk berdamai dengan diri gue sendiri, mencoba ikhlas bahwa ya udah, ini yang terjadi, ya udah. Gue harus yang biasa kerja segala macem, tiba-tiba
Do nothing. I hate that. Literally.
iya, terus
That
yang
feeling
namanya
sucks so
iya,
bad.
and my parents juga jadi overprotective dong sama gue gitu. Walaupun gue udah setua ini umur gue, tapi ya
Udah ini.
mereka juga wajar, maksudnya jadi protektif banget sama gue gitu. Cuman ya itulah yang paling berat menurut gue, saat gue nggak bisa ketemu sama siapa-siapa. Gue 10 bulan di rumah sakit, cuman berdua sama nyokap gue doang, dan bokap gue, karena bokap gue kerja di rumah sakit itu, tapi nggak bisa ketemu siapa-siapa. Itu yang paling parah sih.
Ikhlas tuh ilmu tingkat tinggi loh.
Banget.
And you did it. What helped you? Did you go to the apa namanya? Yayasan Lupus
Ya,
apa tuh?
Yayasan Lupus Indonesia. Sampai datang ke rumah sakit malam itu.
Oh ya?
Sampai papa minta izin sama rumah sakit untuk datengin Mbak Tiara Safitri, dia ketua Yayasan Lupus Indonesia, buat kasih aku bimbingan lah, kasih aku semangat. Karena ngaruh banget sih, kayak kita ngobrol sebagai sesama penderita SLI gitu, saling nyemangatin tuh berpengaruh banget buat mental kita.
Oh my god.
Banget gitu. Jadi waktu itu aku disamperin, ya dapat banyak banget pelajaran. Dia udah 38 tahun kena lupus.
Wow.
Tiara Safitri.
She still has lupus?
Iya, dia ketua Yayasan Lupus Indonesia.
Wow.
Gitu. Jadi dia udah 38 tahun kena lupus, tapi dia bisa berhasil punya anak, hidup sehat.
How many kids does she have?
1 kalau nggak salah.
Because you know why?
What?
We're told that, it's hard for us to have kids.
That's really hard. That's really hard.
But there's hope because
Yeah. She's a proof.
Yeah. And in like the nutritionist I was saying before, she has 2 kids now.
Wow, that's cool. Wow, oh my god. Semoga teman-teman yang di rumah yang punya saudara atau mungkin teman, or maybe it's you who has it. Like there's hope. Just reach each other. Kayak
Yes.
comment down below if you know anyone to be able to support each other. Please do, because it saves people's life and sanity.
Preach.
Yes, please do. Okay.
I think my lowest moment was I think at the hospital. And it also really shows like I'm very grateful that like friends, family, they came over. Tapi it also shows you a lot.
Yeah.
Kayak who's really there for you, who's and stuff like that. I've always seen like whatever happens in life has for a reason.
Yeah.
So that's why when it happened, like I was just like, okay, maybe this is a gift. What's God telling me? Gitu. So I really just questioned a lot. I just felt like things were going fine with my health, and then kok tiba-tiba crash, right? But then I think I kind of saw it coming too because I was so stressed,
Oh.
right? maybe the trigger, I don't know we don't know what's gonna happen in the future, right?
Yeah.
Tapi kayak kalau tiba-tiba that happened, and then I think I was just like really stressed. Like I knew that I was just overstressed, and it wasn't good stress.
Okay.
There's like good stress, bad stress.
Yeah.
It was a bad stress. Like a very, very bad stresses. Jadi I think karena itu that happened, and then I think I just accepted it through time. Like I can help people with this because lama-lama a lot of people have come to me also, and asked like, what'd you do with this? How'd you do that? And all that stuff, and then like I kind of feel like I can kind of show and be those like that person that can show people everything's possible.
Everything is possible.
Like
Dan minder tuh sering banget loh.
Oh ya?
Karena ngelihat perubahan fisik gitu ya. Mukaku tuh sempet yang moon face parah, bengkak banget.
By the
Me
way,
too.
tadi disebut moon face. What
I
is
hate
like
moon face.
moon face exactly?
Iya, moon face itu benar-benar kayak bengkak banget.
karena steroid.
Iya, karena steroid itu.
So like
okay.
when I was at the hospital, I had a Infos steroid at least 164 milligrams.
Yeah.
Kan? Yeah, 164 milligrams morning night ongoing for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. And then after that still drink like steroid pills. Tapi tapping down, jadi dari 5 milligram jadi ke 4, 3, 2, 1 baru kosong. Sekarang I don't drink steroid.
I'm proud of you. Terima kasih Tuhan.
Dan yang paling parah, waktu aku dirawat. Jadi kalau lupus itu katanya vena-vena kita tuh bakal mengecil gitu.
Oh,
I don't know why. Tapi aku yang begitu kan, jadi udah nggak bisa dimasukin infus, pecah terus pembuluh darahnya sampai akhirnya aku harus di CVC. Jadi dimasukin selang dari leher ke pembuluh darah jantung.
Oh my god.
oh my god.
Itu di bius total,
Gila.
dijahit, dan itu mostly kayak setiap 2 minggu sekali ganti, jadi black ini jadi bekasnya ada 7 gitu di sini.
Oh my god, that's crazy. Gila.
Sini.
And then
That's so
kadang
hard.
orang taruh di sini kan.
Iya, karena susah orang-orang teman-teman Odapus kayak gitu tuh susah dapetin venanya biasanya.
Please give us health ya Allah, amin.
Amin. Amin.
Okay, so wow. Apa yang mau kalian bilang untuk teman-teman kita yang lagi berjuang dengan autoimun? Dan
You're not alone.
Iya, you're not alone.
You're not alone.
Jangan pernah ngerasa hidup kamu akan berakhir kalau kamu didiagnosa penyakit autoimun atau lupus gitu. Karena yang harus disadari, semangat dari kita sendiri tuh yang bisa ngebuat kita jadi lebih kuat. Gak ada yang lain sebenarnya, tentunya selain keluarga ya. Tapi semangat dari diri sendiri tuh itu yang paling bisa membantu diri kita sendiri gitu. Itu sih kalau dari aku.
I agree with that.
retweet.
I agree with that.
Oh my god, thank you so much girls. Gila, gue merinding. Gue kalau boleh jujur mau nangis nih. Oh, wait, sebelum kita tutup, ini resepnya apa ibu?
Kale, spinach, apple, pisang, chia seeds. And chia seeds, actually, fun fact, it's one of the best cell regeneration, how do you call it? Foods? Food?
Okay.
Yeah, foods ever.
Oh yeah?
Because what it does is when your cells are broken, that's why the picture is like this. Like your body, when you're healthy, your cells are full. But when you're sick, your cells are like broken. Maybe a quarter of a circle. And when you drink chia seeds, the chia seeds regenerate that cell and makes it healthier, which is then a circle again.
I see. Oh, that's new for me. Thank you so much, by the way.
Langsung bilang mama nih bikinin di rumah.
Tante, nanti kita
It's amazing.
bikin lah tante. Okay, thank you so much girls again for being here and sharing. Thank you so much yang
Thank
udah nonton
you.
dari awal sampai akhir. Semoga bermanfaat buat teman-teman, dan jangan lupa untuk subscribe and comment down below tentang pengalaman kamu, atau kalau misalkan mau sharing-sharing apapun, kalian bisa langsung aja juga cek ke platformnya Hani dan juga platformnya Uapwidia Hani di ruhani.alisha. So yeah, see you on another episode of Building Your Empire. Bye.